Right. Here we have a multimeter. It's a crappy multimeter, but in order for me to get it working again, I think I need to give it a good clean. In fact, it just doesn't work whatsoever. I don't know what to do to it because I can't seem to get it to work. There seems to be a little bit of corrosion to it, to be fair. So this may need cleaning up just a tad to even get this thing to light up. So let's see what happens when I try to open it up. Never done this before. Okay. Right. Oh, that's disgusting. Look at that. Look at that. That's horrible. I don't even want to touch it with my hands. Absolutely gross. I'm going to have to touch it, ain't I? Ooh. Well, I need a different lens for this camera because it doesn't autofocus. Ooh, that's horrid. This is what we're left with. Doesn't actually seem to be anything wrong with it. A little bit of corrosion around there, around there, a little bit around there. So, I'll just take the board out and give it a clean, I think. So. Not very good at this. This one. Two. So the reason, you might be thinking, why is this idiot trying to fix a multimeter when you can pick them up for a couple of quid? Well, yes, I did pick this up for a couple of quid. It's the only one I've got. And I don't want to have to go out and buy another one. Oh, hang on. Let's put this in the off position so we know where we're going from here. Holy crap. That's fancy looking circuitry here. None of this seems particularly corroded, so I don't think I have to do too much work on it. That bit there looks a bit iffy. That looks a bit creamy on the wires. You don't really see that. It looks a bit creamy on the wires, but other than that, it looks alright. Clean. I always see other YouTubers do this, and I think it's hilarious. It's so effective though. That has come up absolutely lovely. I don't know if that's meant to be that colour. It might actually have to be that colour, I'm not sure. We'll give this top bit a bit of a clean. It's just covered in the acid and gunk. Yeah. Nasty stuff. Nasty. Right, that seems pretty okay. Now, it does appear that with the battery at fault, so with that in mind, if we just slowly put things back together, now we've got the battery. Oh no, I need a new battery. didn't think of that. Oh, and this is some sort of weird. There's a little weird ball. Let me see that. There's a little weird ball sort of running about there. I'm not too sure what to. Oh god, there's two. Ah, okay. So they go in there. I guess we're all learning how multimeters work, because I ain't got a clue. These are only little cheap ones. I think I only paid $5 for it or something from. Well, that is gone. Right. So I've got this sort of built back together. I'm just gonna go screw that in now. The screws are still a bit naff and corroded, but they will do the job. Okay. Oop. Yeah, still flicks and turns, which is awesome. That's what we wanted. Right, the third one goes down here. What up if I screwed it into the bloody hole? But honestly, it's me all over. Not very good at doing that stuff. So, time to get a battery. Got myself a battery. I'm going to put this 9-volt battery. Actually, wait, I'm not going to put it in yet. I'm going to have that sit aside ready to put in. I want to just clean these connections up here. So we can just look how naff they are. They're really quite dirty. And they're not very good, not fit for purpose in any way, shape or form. Give those a quick clean in the alcohol. Perfect. I'll go ham on it. Scrub the corners actually. Could probably give it a much better clean than that, but that's about as deep as I'm going to go. So if I now connect this up, again it's still not the cleanest it can be. Ooh, that's that is showing signs of kind of life. Can't really pick it up very well on the camera, to be honest. Obviously the screen is not supposed to be looking like that, so I'm not too sure what's causing that. Maybe I've just tightened these up a bit too much and it's pushing it down against the monitor display. So that's how I start off. Come on, this is my first one. Don't think we've broken it already. Boop. I've got a feeling that this is not going well. Oh my goodness. It was working absolutely spiffingly until maybe 30 seconds ago when I unscrewed that. So So screw that back in. Screw that back in. We have numbers and digits working absolutely flawlessly. That is perfect news. That's exactly what I wanted. Stick this bad boy on. So that goes. Cool. That goes in there. Oh, what? Swear to God. See, this is why my channel is called Eddie Breaks It. Or Eddie Breaks Things. Ooh. Simply because that's me. I'm Eddie. I've got a nasty habit of trying to fix things and breaking them. Ooh. Now, this is the moment I've been waiting for. I have no idea how to do a continuity test at all. But what I do know is you tap these two fuckers together. So you tap these two things together and it will make a beep when it's continuous. I just don't know how it works. So that one, and then okay, no. Maybe it's that. No. Doesn't want to beep. How do you make these things beep? You just go around all the settings until it beeps for me, I guess. Oh, do you know what? Do I need to stick it in this one? Is it this one? And then it's meant to be on one of these settings or something. Oh dear God. Oh, okay, fine. We will try this one and this one. I swear there's a manual for this somewhere.
Turn the dial to its lowest ohms setting.
Oh, okay. So this one, turn it to its lowest ohm setting, and down here it doesn't want to do anything anyways. Where's the fucking... Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so get a bit of that. Get a bit of that. Oh god, I had it a second ago. Sorry. These two? Is that right? Put it on there. On the bottom there. No. Oh my god, I swear. Ah, look at that. It's doing something. Now, I don't know what that means. Obviously, I do know it's not very good to be doing this with a battery, so I'm going to stop. As much of a multimeter this is, it doesn't make the lovely beep that other channels like my mate Vince does. His beep is so audible, it hurts. But at least he knows that there's continuity. This thing, I don't think I'm going to get continuity out of this.